This is grade 4 Go Math. Go Math, grade 4, unit 2, multiply by one digit, lesson 2.10. Multiply two-digit numbers with regrouping. All right, let's get right into lesson 2.10, multiply two-digit numbers with regrouping. How can you use regrouping to multiply a two-digit number by a one-digit number? Well, boys and girls, I'm going to tell you something. Page 119 and 120, I am not going to go over with you. We are going to do this a completely different way. So if you're in my class, you don't have to do it, all right? Let's go right to the next slide. All right, boys and girls, I am going to show you the easy way to multiply two digits by one digit. And this is different than multiplying two digits by one digit using partial product. And I'll show you that on the next slide. But let's look at this. 7 times 3 is 21. I need to carry the two tens. 6 times 3 is 18, plus 2 is 20. My answer is 201. All right? 6 times 7 is 42. Carry the four tens. 6 times 4 is 24, plus 4 is 28. My answer is 282. 8 times 2 is 16. Carry the 10. 8 times 5 is 40, plus 1 is 41. My answer is 416. Okay. 8 times 5 is 40. Carry the 4. 8 times 5 is 40, plus 4 is 44. My answer is 440. Now, on the next slide, I'm going to show you how to do these problems or a problem using partial product, okay? All right, so this is how the partial product, how I've been showing you, and we're going to see the difference between partial product and the old-fashioned way of multiplying. All right, so 67 times 3, we would say 3 times 7 is 21. 3 times 60 is 180. We would add 180 and 21. 0 and 1 is 1. 8 tens and 2 tens is 100. Carry the 100. 100 plus 100 is 200. The answer is 201. Now, look at the difference between this and this. All right, 7 times 3 is 21. Carry the 2. 6 times 3 is 18. Plus 2 is 20. 201. We got the same answer. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. If you're doing 3-digit, 2-digit, 1-digit, or if you're doing 1, 2, 3, or 4-digit by one digit, it's easiest to do it this way. If you're doing 2-digit by 3-digit or 2-digit by 2-digit, you got to use partial product, okay? And I'll show you that in later lessons. But right now, whatever way is easiest for you to do, I don't care as long as you get the right answer. But honestly, for 2-digit times 1-digit, this is easier. It is the old-fashioned way. Okay, so now I want you to complete this page, all right? And you can do partial product or you can do what I call the old-fashioned way, all right? Make sure you do your estimate, work out the problems, work out these problems, okay? Now, identify relationships using algebra, write a rule. I'm going to tell you, you're going to write a C and an E, and then you're going to figure out what the rule is. R, S, and figure out what the rule is, okay? Write the rule right here. Answer this question. Go ahead and do it. And when you're finished, go to the next page and we'll check your answers. All right, I want you to look over this page and see how you did. If you are in my class and you did something wrong and you got these questions wrong, I need you to contact me so that I can go over it with you one-on-one. All right. Down here you can see where we needed to regroup, and I did it the old-fashioned way. We needed to regroup here. 7 times 3 is 21. Carry the 2. 6 times 7 is 42 plus 2, 441. Okay. Again, if you need me, and you're in my class, just let me know. Boys and girls who are doing this, my homeschool parents, boys and girls, if you did not get these right, grab a parent. Have them come and help you with it. All right, so let's look at the identify relationship with algebras. C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. E, 12, 24, 36, 48, 60. The rule is multiply C by 12. RS, 2, 4, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 32, 48, 60, 80, 96. The rule is multiply R by 16. All right, it says it'll cost $73 per hour to rent a sailboat and $88 per hour to rent a ski boat. How much more will it cost to rent a ski boat than a sailboat for 4 hours? Well, it's $60. If it's for 4 hours, you would say 73 times 4, 88 times 4, subtract the 2, and you're going to come up with $60 more. Okay, let's go ahead and have you do this page on your own. Pause the video, complete the page, come back, and we'll check your answers. Let's look at 18. At speed shown, how much further could a black-tailed jackrabbit run than a desert cottontail in 7 seconds? Black-tailed, 51. Desert cottontail, 22. The answer is 203 feet. I went 51 times 7 is 357. 7 seconds times 51. 22 times 7 seconds is 154. 357 minus 154 is 203. A black-tailed jackrabbit hops about 7 feet in a single hop. How far can it hop in 5 seconds? What's 255? I went 51 times 5, and that is 255. All right. Mr. Wright bought a 3-pound bag of cat food and a 5-pound bag of dog food. There are 16 ounces in each pound. How many ounces of pet food did he buy? Well, he bought 128 ounces. I went 16 times 3, the 3 bag. 16 times 5, the 5-pound bag. And that should say 80 plus 48 equals 128. Sorry, boys and girls. Let me fix that real quick because I don't like when I make mistakes like that. That should 80 plus. Sorry. All right, so let's look at the next one. It says the sum of 2 numbers is 31. The sum means you add 2 numbers together. The product of the 2 numbers is 150. The product is when you multiply them together. What are the 2 numbers? Well, 2 numbers that I can add together to get 31 is 25 and 6. And if I multiply 25 times 6, what do I get? 150. All right, here we go. 22. 6 times 87 is greater than 5 times 87. How much greater? Explain how you know without multiplying. Well, it's 87 more. And you know that because 6 times 7, or 6 times 87 has one more group of 87 than 5 times 87. All right? Multiply 6 times 73 for 23A through 23D. Select true or false. A reasonable estimate for the product is 420. That's true. A partial product, the products are 42 and 180. That is false. Using regrouping, 18 ones are regrouped as 8 tens and 1 1. Oh, you know that's false. And the product is 438. That's true. All right, boys and girls, you have your practice and homework. If you are in my class, remember to take a snapshot of each page. Get it to me. It goes in the grade book. Here's the second page of your homework. If you are in my class, make sure you take a snapshot of it, get it to me so I can grade it, get it in the grade book. Homeschool kids, hey, have your parents check your work for you, okay? All right, that is the end of this lesson. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel at Awesome Possum Classroom 451. If you would like these worksheets, email me at awesomepossumclassroom@gmail.com and I will send you the link. Have a great day.